Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you prefer to track your runs in a different unit, Runna lets you switch between miles and kilometers in just a few taps. This change updates your workouts, pace, targets, and stats instantly. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to switch between miles and kilometers in Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what changing distance units means. So switching units allows you to view distance in miles or kilometers, see pace in min or mile or min per kilometer, match your region's standards, train with familiar measurements. So all new workouts will use the selected units. Okay, so first thing first, launch the Runna app, log into your account, make sure you are on the main dashboard. So now tap your profile. Okay, this is where preferences are stored. Okay, scroll to units or measurements units. Okay, so this is it, units, tap it. So as you can see, there are available unit choices. So select miles or kilometers, confirm your choice. Okay, so you have here two choices. The app updates immediately after you tap update. Okay, so verify the change, return to your training plan, check distance and pace targets. Distance or distances show in the new unit. Pace adjust automatically. So restart the app if the change doesn't appear. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.